Since YouTube has been stingy with views on my videos for the past months, I've decided to do whatever I want now. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing Bantu knots with Cantu Mousse on my 4C hair. So I'm starting with washed hair, but I did not wash my hair like yesterday, not today. I washed it 2 weeks ago. I really had no time to do a new hairstyle. I was really so busy, I did not have time. So finally I've been able to find a little bit of time, and I decided, okay, why not do Bantu knots? Originally I was thinking of doing not flexi rods, perm rod set on my 4C hair, but I forgot to wash my perm rods. So finally this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do Bantu knots. So I'm using this brush. It is honestly the best tangling brush that I have ever used on my 4C hair, and I really recommend that you get it. By the way, the link to get the brush is available on my Amazon storefront. You can really get that brush. It's a good brush. So I detangle my hair easily with this brush. Now I'm using my rat tail comb. The link is also on my Amazon storefront. It's in the description of this video. And now I'm using the mousse. Okay, so apply a generous amount. Honestly, this is the Cantu Mousse. I asked for your opinion on Cantu products. You can see I have videos where I ask for your opinion on Cantu products, and most people said they do not like it. It's drying out your hair. I don't know what else you said, but let me tell you the truth. I like this Cantu product. It smells nice. But what I can say is, like, when I used it last time for perm rods, the hold wasn't that much. The hairstyle did not last that long. I hope it's gonna be better with perm rods. I hope it's gonna be better with Bantu knots. And obviously I'm not even going to edit out the mistakes that I'm making when I'm speaking, because really I've decided to make a video with minimal effort. You can see that I am not even editing my skin. I'm not removing any like acne scar. I'm going to make this video as natural as possible, because like doing so many efforts on YouTube, apparently the algorithm rewards you when you make the least effort possible in making the video, and I'm going to check that using this video. Okay, so I started directly behind, because I prefer, when I do my hair, I always start from backwards. So this is what it looks like. Does it look good to you? Anyway, let me continue with the mousse. Okay, now you can see I've already done 3 rows at the back. Yeah, it's not that straight. I would really need this 3-way mirror that I'm seeing everywhere on YouTube and on TikTok, but I've not yet bought it. I would really like to have one. So if you want to sponsor me purchasing that mirror, perhaps you like my videos, perhaps you want to offer the mirror to me. I don't know, maybe. But if that's the case, there's my email address available down there. We can always discuss a way for me to get the mirror, but I'm going to get it soon, God willing. So if you want like to get it for me as a gift, that would still be nice, and God bless you so much in advance if that's what you want to do for me. So you can see that I'm turning it around. I'm always trying to maintain this motion because I really want it to curl, and I'm adding it downwards, down. So my Bantu knot is a bit long, but I'm really doing it because I want it to curl, and I don't even know how long the hairstyle is going to last. So I'm starting with the Bantu knots, and then I'll do the Bantu knots out, aka I'll take them out. Now when? Because I'm doing this hairstyle, it's Saturday night. Am I going to take it out on Monday, on Tuesday, or Wednesday? I don't know yet, but what I know is that it has to be 100% dry before I take it out, because if it is not 100% dry, do you know what it's gonna do? The hairstyle is gonna flop, the hair is going to take a lot of humidity more, a lot more humidity, and the hairstyle is not going to look like what I want it to look like. You know, I have 4C hair, and because I have 4C hair, it shrinks like more than other hair types. And when I do this type of hairstyles, it's because I want length and volume, mostly length, and I do not want my hair to like coil excessively. That's why I do this type of hairstyle. That's why I don't generally do wash and goes. So I'm really trying out. As you can see, I turn, keep turning it around, and that's the same thing you're doing. You really want the hair to take the curls in, so that like when you're going to leave the hair dry, it's going to keep the shape of the curl. And honestly, this video is not going to be so long, because I'm just showing you in this video how I am actually doing the Bantu knot process. Now the taking it out process will be shown eventually, God willing, in another video, but you have to encourage me for that. I need to see likes, I need to see comments, I need to see shares, because this is what is going to boost me, this is what's going to be encouraging me, because I really want my channel to get monetized. But you guys, if you do not like and share and comment my video, like, I really need you to do it because I want to get those watch hours. I really need to get those 4,000 watch hours in 365 days in order to get monetized. And really, I count on you guys. And I trust God that He's going to move on your hearts so that you're going to give me those likes, those shares, those comments, and that you're going to watch the video till the very end. Because if you watch the video to the very end, it gives me more watch hours. And if you share the video and that your friends and your family members watch it to the very end, it gives me more watch hours. Okay. I've decided to really go less serious on these things and to really be like, to show you more of my personality, like who I really am. Now I'm still applying more mousse. Let me tell you the truth. I got this mousse in 2024. Yeah, I bought it really long time ago, like 2 years ago, because we're already in 2026. But I've not used it so many times. This could be the second time that I'm using this mousse, because the very first time I was using it for, was it Flexi Rods? No, Perm Rod set. Yeah, I do not yet have Flexi Rods. I have only Perm Rods, the purple ones. By the way, you can check out the video where I show you how I'm doing Perm Rod set on my hair, my 4C hair with Cantu Mousse. Now, all those people who said that it's causing breakage and it's drying out the hair, I really don't know. Because I used it once, it's true, I did not use it regularly, but my hair felt so soft. The only inconvenience that I had was that the hold was not very strong, so the hairstyle did not last that long. It was my hairstyle for the week, but the hair remained really curled, like for only like 42 hours. I have a video where I show, like, it's a YouTube short where I show how my hair was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday till the end of the week. But really, it's the first 24 hours that really had like the best hold. And I don't know why it looks like this mousse is not as strong as another mousse that I heard about, the Do mousse, that I really want to try out, but I have not yet bought it for myself. And I am the type of person who first finish the first product before buying the next one, because honestly, I don't like throwing money away. So this is what it looks like. I finished with the hairstyle. It took me 3 hours. 3 hours, yeah, exactly 3 hours. I don't know why it took me 3 hours. Maybe because I had a few interruptions, but this is the product. This is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the video where I do the Bantu out. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.